2018 G80. The Genesis G80 offers a distinct luxury vehicle coupled with great value. Power, technology, and safety are all reasons you're going to want to check out this premium sedan, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster. Come take a test drive today.
Genesis certified pre-owned vehicles are meticulously inspected by qualified Genesis technicians and come with a comprehensive Genesis CPO limited warranty, 24/7 roadside assistance, and a vehicle history report. Talk to your local Genesis dealer today to find out more.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.